How sick is this view right here? I think this marks the coolest intro to any video in the history of the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog and welcome here to the beautiful city of Chicago, Illinois. The last time we were here, we dropped off the Gallardo, a B-Rogue built to be twin turbocharged. Check this out, that is so far down. Now the Gallardo's not finished today, we're just filming an update video, but before we do that, we're going to a highly undisclosed location with all sorts of supercars and hypercars, but just take a moment to appreciate the Chicago skyline. You have the John Hancock Center out there, you got the Sears Tower right there, aka the Willis Tower, but we are headed 1 hour that way. It's delivery day for somebody. The F8 Tributo looks so good. We have arrived here to the Iron Gate Motor Condos. How cool is this? Utah needs a place just like this. So behind every single garage door houses a crazy car collection. We don't have quite full access. We're gonna be checking out a lot of these motor condos. There are some crazy cars in here. Today's gonna be a little bit chaotic. We're just jumping from garage to garage. So if you're not following the storyline, don't worry. Just enjoy all the craziness here at Iron Gate. Like I was saying, welcome here to Iron Gate. This is just absolutely crazy. This is what I wanted to build. A massive garage with a 2-bedroom apartment above it. That's all a guy needs in his life. Obviously, he also needs a full row of supercars. The color palette in here is unreal. You got the 2 Ford GTs, you got the 2 Porsches, the 2 Ferraris, but this 918 in acid green, like, come on. But back here, we have the triple white Lamborghini Countach. Someday I want to have a Countach, and I want to have it in my living room. And I know that's odd, but I want to have like a car elevator that like drops it down to the garage, and then you can drive it out. But there's just nothing cooler or more iconic than a triple white Lamborghini Countach. We're gonna sneak through this crazy little window. Wow, this car collection is unreal. Could you imagine walking up these stairs every single day with that view? Oh, the envy is real. Every single detail in this place is amazing. Like, look at these floors. This is exactly what I wanted to build for my house, but unfortunately the city rejected me. And so I have this big house with this massive garage, but this would have been like perfect. You just have a small little 1-bedroom apartment and you have a massive garage. Just look at the color palette here. I told you guys, I said I want to hang a car on my wall just like this. I don't know what car, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but it just adds such a cool feature. Look at this garage. And there's this whole setup, all the colors, it's just so clean. All the cool artwork. You have the Porsche 917 right there. So you have all the cars right here, and then you walk here into your office. Check this out. The 1/12 scale model collection. This is my exact Lamborghini Aventador. You have the matching Countach right there, the first gen Gallardo, the Volcano Red P1, the Ford GT. That is so cool. You have the legendary McLaren F1. This is office goals. This is lifestyle goals right here. All the artwork is just so cool. And look at the chandeliers right here. I also love the ceiling, all the lighting, the LED light strips right there. And I don't know what this is. It's like a reverse waterfall. Lambo Jesus is gonna do a full monologue on this very soon. This Porsche Carrera GT looks absolutely brand new. It looks like a time capsule from 2005 right there. So in the comments below, if you could have just one car in this entire collection, which would it be? I mean, it's gotta be an F40. It's an F40, like look at it. But at the same time, I mean, I just want all of them, honestly. I get greedy. Sometimes I get greedy. I want every single car here. And a purple Lambo. You always need a purple Lambo.
What's up, dude? What's up, Doc? Yeah, what's up? What's up, Senna? Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You'd love to meet Oscar.
The garage envy going on right now is absolutely insane. I need a loft so bad. You got the 458 right there and the 12C. You got the lifts over there. Like, boys, the house design, the house build cannot be done soon enough. I'm just getting so many ideas and inspiration for my future house. Could you imagine walking down the stairs every single day to this? Are you kidding me? I haven't even built my first house and I'm already getting inspiration for the second house. Check this thing out. That is ridiculous. There's just something about the loft and looking down on the cars. The purple A12 is cool, I realize that, but check out this elevator, a single passenger elevator straight out of Willy Wonka. Whoa.
You can actually have, you know,
This is so sick, boys. I need this in my house. I don't know how much it costs, I don't care. This is ridiculous. Yo, Okay, so we're gonna now go down to 1. This is so sick. This is mesmerizing. I don't know why I need this. There's really no reason that you would need one of these. It is just so epic. Check that out. I'm starting to get a little bit claustrophobic, and it's very, very hot. There's Clayton. Bye. This is so sick. This is the coolest thing of all time. Yo, that's a Monza right there. I don't know if I'm allowed down here, but we're gonna push to open. Are you kidding me right now? We have the SP2 Monza. This is like the ultimate Ferrari bat cave. This place is incredible. It just keeps getting better and better and better. We had that amazing single person elevator, and now we have the car elevator down to the Ferrari bat cave. The ideas are just getting more and more and more expensive, and my bank account is not, I can't afford it. This is without a doubt the greatest spec Ferrari I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at that interior, boys. Full yellow with the custom, well, it's not a custom, this is a factory purple exterior 812 super fast. All the other cars were cool, boys, but come on, there's just nothing like a 750 Lambo. Look at that color too. We got the Ferrari, yeah, I mean, I like Ferraris. Don't be triggered, I like Ferraris. The 488 Pista, but this car in this color in roadster form. I want to spend 9 minutes looking at this Pista, boys, but we got like 9 other condos to look at. So Ferrari fanboys, have your moment, because when it's gone, it's a Lamborghini. Eddie's saying he can pull up my video on the fridge. It's not gonna happen.
Yeah, wait.
No. Oh wait, okay, it might actually happen. Wow, this is real life. Are you kidding me?
Internet selected. Oh wait, what?
Okay, yep. You see, I told you.
It's possible, James.
Everything's possible.
It is definitely possible.
This is an inspiring story right here. Okay, I apologize. Wait, are we gonna do this? This is a world's first. This is insane. Wow. Oh, this is my newest video. Maybe we can smash the like button.
The first time you were playing on a fridge.
Like this video, yes.
Whoever owns this fridge is now like.
No, yeah, share it too. Share as well. Check that out. Okay, that is incredible.
12 pixels, but
hey, it counts. Count it. That's actually pretty cool.
Dude, you're on a fridge.
I'm on a fridge, boys. We've made it. We're on a fridge. That is actually really cool.
Yeah, there's bikes, cars.
Okay,
nice.
So Samsung, please sponsor me. I need a fridge like this in my house. And it's just like nothing like a Rosovic Mercy Roadster right here. Enjoy this view, because we are now headed to B-Rogue Built to check out the Gallardo. Out of nowhere, we have the Rapid Blue C8 Corvette. Respect, dude. Should I buy another C8? Whoa. Don't crash! Don't crash it, bro! Don't put it in the tickets! Welcome here to B-Rogue Built, boys. You know why we're here. The Gallardo's in the back. The Gallardo's not done today, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a startup and maybe some revving. I have not seen this car in forever. I'm so excited. We got the Super right there. We got the 488 Pista from yesterday's video, and of course the Black Series just flexing the gold wing doors. This Pista looks so good. And we have the man, the myth, the legend. What's up, dude? Good to see you. How you been? Welcome to B-Rogue Built, where simplicity is complicated. Dun 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 dun. You guys, oh, there she is, boys. Welcome to Bumper Delete Nation. This place is always, there are so many cars here right now. But ladies and gentlemen, check it out. Are you kidding me? I've seen the photos on Instagram. That looks absolutely mesmerizing. And look at the exhaust tips right there. You can't help but smile. It has been a long time coming, boys. Oh, I miss this car so much. Sounds so good. So the turbos need to be broken in. Ooh, do that again. Sounds so good. I know. I was just telling the viewers that in my amateurish way, trying to explain how the turbos need to be broken in.
Yeah, a lot of people don't really know them that well, so there's actually a grease and the bearings need to break in versus normal oil turbos. They just naturally just spin right away. So yeah, these need like maybe 100, 200 miles and then
we'll be fully rolling. Look at that weld work. That is so beautiful right there. It feels so good to be back in this car. Everything is just exposed. And my gumball hat, I was wondering where this was. It was left with a bunch of other nonsense right here. It's so cool to see the e-brake, everything that goes into it. Of course, the gated manual. I miss a manual in my life. Brandon just described this as the scariest car B-Rogue Built has ever built. And it also just rained. So it has 1,200 horsepower and We're gonna drive somewhere. We're gonna try to avoid, I don't know. Wish me luck. Pavement, like I said, it just rained here, but it was like one cloud. So we're gonna try to drive away from the rain clouds, find some dry pavement, because the last thing we wanna do is end up in that wall over there. Today's a good day, and we don't want it to be a bad day. What is going on? There's blue sky in front of us, and it is raining right now. No! We have 1,200 horsepower. No, 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 please stop. Please stop. Yeah, we're gonna chase the sun. We were gonna flip a U-turn and go full sun that way, but we are now headed to Iowa. We will drive to Des Moines if we have to. Oh, come on, Illinois. It just started raining more, like there is blue sky in front of us. Where is this cloud coming from? Okay, like actually, what is going on? This is ridiculous. Like we are in the scariest Audi R8 that Brandon has ever built, and it is now, it's like pouring. What is going on?
Welcome to Illinois.
Oh, come on. Are you kidding me, Chicago? This is crazy. Look at that, you can see dry pavement ahead. What is going on? Things are looking better. We're still not quite out of the woods, but I think we're getting there. Like I said, we'll drive to Nebraska if we have to. Third gear is 14.5 PSI. Let that sink in. Hold on, boys. Oh my gosh. And we go bye-bye. Whoa, oh my gosh. I was trying to hit the brakes with my feet right there. That is insane. Hello. Oh, you can feel it in your chest. That is ridiculous. Yeah. I need a chiropractor and I might need a heart surgeon. I thought at first the Mustangs had crashed into each other, but that didn't happen. They're excellent drivers. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. This car is absolutely insane. My head is just spinning and my right calf is tightened up from hitting an illusionary brake pedal. This car is ridiculous. We survived the most dangerous, and when I say the most dangerous, the most exciting Audi R8 B-Rogue has ever built. My heart is still pounding after riding in that Audi R8, but the Gallardo is looking so good. So we're hoping for October 8th or so, give or take, for the car to be drivable. All this COVID stuff, it shut down the Lamborghini factory, it shut down their production plant. There was all sorts of parts that we needed to get that we've been waiting on for forever, so that's why the build has been taking a while. But just like the welds on this car are absolutely mesmerizing. It is a piece of art. I cannot wait for this car to be done. The tentative plan, we're actually gonna get like some type of glass, plexiglass, something clear, so you can actually see the turbos with the rear bumper on. And then of course, obviously, we're gonna be removing the rear bumper here and there. I know. But we gotta take a quick look. Check out this Audi R8. Like we are just in twin turbo heaven. We have the first gen Super G right here. This car is actually being manually converted and it has a single turbo setup. That is so sick. I'm telling you guys, like the artwork that Brandon creates is the best in the business. Enjoy this view of the Gallardo because the next time we see it, we're gonna see flames from here to North Carolina. Just enjoy these pie cuts. It just makes me want chocolate pie so much. Absolutely mesmerizing to look at. Oh, so all this is gonna color. Like it's gonna be blue and purple, just like the exhaust tips very soon. Oh, I miss the car. And just like that, all good things must come to an end. Chicago, Illinois, you're a beautiful city. Alex, you're a beautiful human. I will see you in Arizona very soon.
With exciting news.
Oh, exciting news.
Maybe.
Wait,
maybe.
Did you buy something?
I don't know.
Oh, we're getting exclusive, unprecedented. Check out this jet bridge. It's like proper wood. It's not the knockoff brand. Clayton, respect. Appreciate it. I will see you very soon. We got some exciting news with Mr. Stark. And we got Baby Burlacker repping the merch, looking sharp.